Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas grills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Lynx 3-burner propane grill. This grill offers a compact yet functional design featuring 3 burners with a total output of 30,000 BTUs. It's equipped with a front hanging basket for convenient storage and a warming rack that unfolds automatically when the lid is opened. The cooking area spans 338.8 square inches, with an additional 126 square inches for heat preservation. This makes it suitable for smaller gatherings or backyard barbecues. The build quality is solid, with corrosion-resistant stainless steel components and ceramic finishes that enhance durability. It's lightweight at 42.8 pounds and comes with 2 wheels for portability, making it perfect for patios or balconies. However, the lack of detailed pricing information and limited customer reviews may raise questions about its overall value compared to competitors. The Lynx grill's standout feature is its user-friendly design, from the pre-assembled burners to the safe propane tank placement. It's ideal for those looking for an affordable and portable grilling solution. However, its lower BTUs and smaller cooking area may be limiting for larger gatherings. If you're after a compact outdoor grill with some thoughtful design touches, this might be a good option. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Royal Gourmet GA5401T 5-burner propane gas grill. This grill is a powerhouse, delivering a total of 64,000 BTUs across 6 burners, including a dedicated sear burner and a lidded side burner for sauces or side dishes. With a spacious 632 square inches of cooking area, it's capable of grilling up to 29 hamburgers simultaneously, making it ideal for larger gatherings and events. The design is sleek and durable, featuring heavy-duty stainless steel construction, a double-layer lid with heat-resistant handles, and a built-in thermometer for precision cooking. Cleanup is hassle-free with the removable grease tray and cup, which help minimize flare-ups. At 80.9 pounds, it's sturdy but still manageable to transport thanks to its freestanding configuration. While the Royal Gourmet grill excels in cooking capacity and versatility, its assembly process can be time-consuming, and the slightly elevated price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for its power, durability, and ample cooking space, this is a great choice for seasoned grillers who love hosting large cookouts. If you need a reliable grill for big gatherings, this one won't disappoint. At rank number 3, we have the Anart 4-burner gas grill. This full-sized grill packs a total of 44,000 BTUs across 4 burners, delivering even heat distribution for perfectly grilled food. With 443 square inches of primary cooking space and an additional 167 square inches on the warming rack, it's versatile enough to handle both main courses and sides simultaneously. The cast iron grates provide excellent heat retention, creating beautiful sear marks and enhancing flavor. The grill's design is modern and durable, featuring a stainless steel lid and control panel. 2 large side tables offer ample prep space, making it easy to organize your grilling tools and ingredients. Weighing 64 pounds, it's heavier than some portable models, but remains manageable for backyard use. Assembly is required, but the straightforward instructions make the process relatively painless. The Anart 4-burner gas grill strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Its spacious cooking area and reliable burners make it perfect for medium-sized gatherings. However, it lacks some advanced features like sear burners or grease management systems found in higher-end models. For those seeking a dependable and stylish grill at a mid-range price, this is a solid choice. At rank number 2, we have the Anart Chefstyle tabletop portable propane gas grill. This budget-friendly option is ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or small backyard barbecues. Featuring dual burners with a total output of 20,000 BTUs, it delivers reliable heat for cooking a variety of foods. The stainless steel grates ensure even heat distribution and can handle everything from delicate vegetables to hearty steaks. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 22 pounds, with folding legs and a locking lid for easy transportation. The integrated thermometer and adjustable burner knobs provide precise temperature control, while the twist-start ignition simplifies the setup process. Despite its compact size, the grill offers a decent 275 square inches of cooking space. While the Cuisinart Chefstyle grill excels in portability and ease of use, its smaller cooking area and lower BTU output mean it's best suited for smaller gatherings. The build quality is solid, but it may not withstand heavy use over time compared to larger, more robust models. If you're on a budget and need a portable grill with reliable performance, this is an outstanding choice. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Weber Spirit 3-burner E310 liquid propane grill. This premium option is a standout performer in every category, offering 19,000 BTUs across 3 burners for consistent, even cooking. The porcelain-enameled cast iron grates retain heat beautifully, ensuring perfectly grilled meals every time. Weber's patented flavorizer bars catch and vaporize juices to enhance flavor while preventing flare-ups, making it ideal for precision grilling. The design is top-notch, featuring a sleek black finish, durable cast aluminum cookbox, and a cabinet that hides the propane tank and accessories for a clean look. Additional features include Snapjet ignition, a grease management system, and 4 tool hooks for convenience. With 360 square inches of cooking space and a 10-year limited warranty, this grill is built to last and handle frequent use. While the Weber Spirit is the most expensive option on this list, its robust build quality, advanced features, and reliable performance make it worth every penny. It's perfect for enthusiasts who demand the best grilling experience and don't mind investing in a durable, high-quality product. If you're looking for a grill that delivers premium results and will stand the test of time, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.